I was MIA and, but your old man thought I was dead. I got dead to him. The numbers, Reznov ain't stuck in his head. He had no idea it was real. How the fuck could he?
Coming on the convoy now!
The barge matches Smimby's intel! Wood should be inside! Bring us alongside, Hudson!
Jeff Mason!
Clear the decks! Deck's clear! They ain't gonna let us go without a fight! On each side of the barge! Still on us, Mason! That's the last of the gunboats! Okay, Mason, we're clear. Open up the container! Give me a hand with this, Mason! Woods, are you in there, brother?
Bodies are badly decomposed. These men have been dead for weeks. Woods.
Frank? Frank!
It's me! It's me, Mason!
What did they do to him, Hudson?
Get Woods to cover! Come on, Woods! That arms crate is a gold mine! Grab the TGM! Take it down! Blow it out of the sky, Mason!
Jackson!
I'll get him!
We've probably attracted the attention of every MPLA foot soldier in the area. We need to move. Come on, Woods, I've got you. I got you, brother. Village ahead. The antenna means they've got a radio.
We can call Savimbi for emergency extraction.
Hold! Take cover behind that log. They're just kids.
O que estão fazendo, idiota? Volta ao seu lugar. Soldados inimigos foram vistos na área. Você, que maneira é essa de segurar seu fuzil? Você se chama de soldado? Volta ao seu lugar. Continua chorando por sua mãe? Você quer ser criança ou quer ser homem? Mexe-se! Procura a área toda por eles!
Let's move.
Stay low, keep your head down. Don't move, let them pass.
Okay, on my lead, we run for the wooden hut.
Now.
Don't move, more patrols passing by. On my go, we head for the grass. Stay close. Hold position. They're right in front of us. Hold position. They're right in front of us. Okay, we're clear. Move out of the grass.
You'll be okay, Frank. I'm gonna radio for help.
I'll take care of Woods. Watch yourself up there. Try not to draw any more attention.
You need to be reminded of just how I deal with those who fail me. Mullah Rahman. Do not concern yourself with local politics. Prosta marionetka. Как ты. Делай. Как сказано.
You're a dead man unless you do exactly as I say. Tune the radio to...
You're going to kill me, see? El americano le está diciendo que no se mueva.
Shut up!
Él piensa que está en control, pero él no
I
es.
said shut up! Lower your weapon!
Los americanos no saben nada sobre la lealtad. Quizás nosotros deberíamos demostrar.
Hudson, we're moving! Get to the beach!
Did you secure evac?
Negative, we're on our own. Head for the river! Can it, Hudson? Just keep moving!
They're closing in on us! We gotta buy some time! Use the poacher's platform to snipe! Get up high! Provide cover fire!
We gotta get moving, Hudson! Throw smoke!
Smoke out!
Grab Woods!
I got him! Let's go! We gotta make another stand!
Give Woods in cover!
No puedo verlo a través del humo.
Rig some animal traps!
Enemigo.
They're still coming! Ah! Keep firing, Hudson! We gotta make a run for the river!
Throwing smoke!
Go! Now!
Come on, Woods! We're getting out! I got you, brother.
Keep moving!
MG truck on the waterfall!
I'll deal with it! Get Woods in cover!
There's too many of them! Incoming mortars! There's a boat on the beach, come on!
Come on, Frank. Come on, we're getting out. No.
What the...
You thought I would leave you, huh? Hurry, come!
Well, we got him, Mason.
Can't kill me. You can't kill me. Next to your old man. Put it all on the line for me. For honor, friendship. Yeah. It's just like you, kid.